Hello and welcome, everybody. Today we're going to have a discussion about Simon that helped carrying Yeshua's cross. So, if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so sometimes in life we go through very, very difficult circumstances, and a lot of these circumstances build us up and makes us strong. I want you to think about a picture where you have a son and you're trying to train and teach your son in this life, and you take him to the gym to build some muscle. Now he lifts up. He has to do 3 sets of 10, and he comes to the first set, number 5, and he says he's tired, and you say, "No, I'll take over. Don't worry, I will do this for you." And you do it again and again and again. At the end of the day, you become strong. He doesn't become strong. Now it is easy if you are there to help him because you've got the strength. But when he needs the strength, you're not there, then it's going to be very difficult for him to achieve. And that's why many times in life we go through these circumstances to give us strength. And the Lord is always with us. Remember, He's a good Father. He will give us what we need. He is there to help us. And the reason why I'm using Simon that helped carry the cross of Yeshua was this morning the Lord showed me a picture of that became too much. And he allowed Simon to carry the cross. The cross that was meant to be carried alone. But through the severity of what Yeshua went through, he needed help to accomplish. So yes, there's times that the Lord definitely will send you somebody to help you. But you see, there's no weight more heavier to carry than the cross where you should die on to sacrifice for the sin of the world. And there's no stronger test that Yeshua could go through. And therefore, just think in your life today, the things that you're going through, the challenges, all of the difficult things. Yet the Lord is there to help you. Sometimes we go through things that we do not want to be alone. Sometimes it's very heavy. And I don't always know why we go through heavy stuff. But one of the reasons is to make us strong. If you're going through a difficult time today, just think of Yeshua that went to the cross to die for our sins so that we can be free. And the Father even allowed that Simon of Cyrene, even though he was forced by the Romans to carry the cross, if it was not allowed, I don't think it would have happened. But you see, the Lord knows you. He wants you to be honest. That's why this morning I just sat down with the Lord and I said, Lord, there's things in my life that I don't know why, I don't know what is going on. The Lord just said, I'm with you. And I saw a picture of me and my son where I'm with him, where I help him. And as I help him, the Father helps me as well to go through things in life. Sometimes it just feels meaningless. Sometimes it just feels that we are walking around in circles in this life. But the Father has got a plan and a purpose for us all, with us all. And I want to encourage you today to carry on, to carry what you need to carry. And if the Lord sees it's something you cannot carry, I really know He will send you help. But see, the Father is a good Father. He's good. And He will help you at the right time. You see, heaven is our destination, our final destination, our place where we're going to be without pain and sorrow. But on this world, there's difficulty, there's challenges. This is not our final destination. The last enemy to overcome is death. So let us overcome. Let us walk through, let us work through what the Lord wants us to go through. It's not always what He wants us to go through, what we go through. Sometimes it's because of our own doing. Sometimes it's because of somebody else's doing. But I just want to encourage you today that if the load is too heavy, pray and ask, Lord, give me help, give me wisdom, give me understanding. Rather than complaining, rather than looking to change things that we cannot change. Father, I pray that you'll bless us, help us and keep us focused on you. Help us to remain strong. Help us to do what is good and what is right. Help us that if we stumble and fall, that we'll get back up again. Help us, Lord, that we'll look to you and not to our own strength and our own abilities. I thank you for your great love and I thank you for your mercy. In the name of Yeshua, be blessed.